Thank you for all my subscribers, my new and my old subscribers, and also my returning subscribers. I thank you so much, and I really appreciate each and every one of you. Today I'm making oven baked chicken fried rice. This recipe was brought for me by God's Time, God's Love. Yesterday I watched her video and I saw her chicken fried rice that she made. It looked so yummy and delicious. I was like, oh my goodness, this is an idea that she gave me what I'm gonna cook for dinner tonight. So I jumped off and I went and bought my ingredient and I started. It wasn't my intent to video this recipe. You can see that I already went halfway for steaming my vegetables before I start videoing it. So now what I'm doing is I steam the vegetables with a little bit oil and then my spices. Then and onions. Then I'm adding it. I just added it into my parboiled rice and start mixing it. So after mixing the vegetable with the parboiled rice, then the next thing I'm gonna do right now is to add my stock, my chicken stock. So you can see that I'm gonna add my chicken stock, and after chicken stock we're gonna start baking. Can you see? I just added my chicken stock right now. So I'm gonna get it ready for us to bake it, and we're gonna bake it for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, 20 to 30 minutes. So that's how we're gonna bake it. Guys, keep on watching. Guys, you can see that my oven chicken fried rice is ready. Can you see the color of this rice? It's so yummy. This rice tastes so yummy and so delicious. I am so happy, and I'm so excited. Thank you, God's Science, God's Love, for bringing this recipe. My family love this rice so much. My hubby love it, my children love it, and I love it, and I'm so happy for this recipe. You guys can try this recipe. I'm not kidding. Try this recipe. This recipe is a bomb. It's a bomb. It tastes so yummy and so delicious. And guys, I serve mine with salad. My kids love salad so much, and also I cannot do without salad. You can see my salad. Anytime I cook rice, even if it is jollof rice, I like to put salad by the side for them, so that they can, my kids, before, they don't like anything vegetables. So that's how I introduce vegetables to them, by putting salad by the side, so that they will be able to them. My sister, continue watching this recipe that God's Time, God's Love introduced. Thank you so much, and thank you everybody that stopped by subscribers. Thank you so much. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. It's very much free, and I will see you on my next